Hey guys, this is Paige from Beebom.com and Battlegrounds Mobile India is finally here. Now I know this is the same game as PUBG Mobile. There are a few minor differences that I'll talk about. But first, let me tell you how you can install Battlegrounds Mobile India on any Android smartphone right now. Because I know a lot of you guys are facing issues with it. So let me show you how to do it in very simple steps. Let's begin. So first off, the link to joining the beta testing is available right away. But the beta testing slots are full, so you get this when you head to the link. So yeah, this is not the way, but there is another method and it's very simple. Just follow along. First up, make sure you have Telegram installed and set up because you'll need it to download the files. Now once you've set Telegram up, just join our Telegram channel via this link that you'll also find in the description. Now in our channel, you'll find the zip file that you can just download. Just hit the three-dot menu button and tap on Save to Downloads. After this, the download will begin, and don't be confused with loading. It's simply downloading the files. Now once the files are downloaded, just use a file manager app that supports zip files to extract it. I'm using Solid Explorer here, and once the zip files are extracted, you'll get these two files. First, just install the Battlegrounds APK. Now one very important thing to note here is just install it. Don't launch the game right away. It's very important. Now along with the APK, you must have also noticed this OBB file. Well, what you need to do is just copy this file, then go to internal storage, Android, and then go to this OBB folder. Now here, create a folder with the name com.pubg.imobile and paste the OBB file that you copied right here. Next up, before launching the game, just go to app info of Battlegrounds Mobile India and give it the storage permission before you launch the game. And that's it. Now just launch the game, and as you can see here, it works. There's no Tencent or PUBG Corporation now, it's just Krafton at the start. Now once the game is set up, you will get this option to log in via your Facebook or Twitter or Play Games account. So you can do that and it's not a problem. Now once you've logged in, you'll get this option to transfer all of your old PUBG Mobile account data, be it skins, UCs, emotes. And yeah, you can just follow these steps and all your account data will be back. Although I can't see my old friends list or my clan just yet. Anyway, so this is the new PUBG. And it's basically the same PUBG Mobile that we used to play. The maps are the same, as you can see. You even get the new Karakin map that arrived in PUBG Mobile after the ban. There are also the different modes, be it Arena, Evo Ground, Arcade, all are basically identical to what we are used to. All the guns are the same, even the cars are the same, the bikes are the same, and the weird Cholet bike still flips over like crazy. So yeah, it's basically the same game. All the settings are also the same, as you can see. And the graphics settings also support a 90Hz mode on a few phones, so that's pretty nice. Now like I said at the start, there are a few minor changes in the gameplay, so let me just show you. First up, you now cannot kill your opponents in the game. You can only finish them, which sounds really weird, but okay. There's also no bloodshed. You get this green animation when you shoot someone, and when they die, finished, they disintegrate like, Thanos or Voldemort. Apart from that, when you start the game, you get a disclaimer that this is a simulation and not real world. You also get this enter virtual world text while jumping from the plane. Lastly, there's only one India server which you just cannot change in the game. Well, that's pretty much all the changes in Battlegrounds Mobile, and I know, Battlegrounds Mobile does not bring a lot of new compared to PUBG Mobile. In fact, there's a lot of mention of PUBG Mobile in this game, as you can see in this screenshot. Now, Battlegrounds Mobile India being the same as PUBG Mobile is not a bad thing because we all love PUBG Mobile, and I like that there are no weird changes to it. The gameplay remains the same, and I just hope that this does not get banned. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and install Battlegrounds Mobile on your phones right away by following the steps, and make sure to check out all the links in the description. Also, make sure to share this video with your friends so they can also install Battlegrounds Mobile on their Android smartphone. Also, give this video a like. Make sure to share it. I already said that. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in the Battleground, probably finishing.